Hello, Javi. We're in a level 3 biocontainment lab. How do you ensure nothing gets out? All animals that come here, once we're done with them, necropsy and incineration, or alkaline hydrolysis. Nothing gets out of here, except people.
Round buttons on a console light up.
Decompressing chamber.
Okay, I'll open now. Thanks.
A man and woman in PPE stand outside a heavy chamber door.
Wait for confirmation before opening.
The woman holds up a thumbs up.
Go ahead.
She presses a button on the console and peers through a window in the door. The woman holds the door's handle and waits. She opens the door, revealing goats inside the chamber.